Okay. The recording has been started. Okay. Suhasin, can you please enter Jira and the search URL?
Spelling, sir.
Jira.
Mhm.
Yes, enter.
Underscore.
Oh, no. Jira entered. That's all. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you are entering in a Jira in a search bar, you will get one is ad and another is the actual link. Okay. Jira is basically from the Atlassian company. Okay. So the proprietor of this company is Atlassian. Okay. Can you click on that second link?
This one,
Second
sir.
one. No. Second option. No. Below that.
This
Below that.
one. This
Yes.
one.
Yes. Okay. Uh, So this is what home page of Jira software. Okay, this is from Atlassian. Okay, from Atlassian product. Okay, so here we have a couple of things we need to know. We have one is free edition and one is pro edition. Okay, free edition is will be valid only for 30 days and max it allows only 10 users. Okay, for a product. Okay, for a project or for a single sign-on, single user. Okay, so we have to read. Okay, can you scroll down?
Yes.
Just hold on. So if before going to enter into the actual Jira while we registering, so this is how the sprint board looks like. Okay, this is how the sprint board looks like. Okay, let's go scroll up. Chain. Can you go scroll up? Let's go into that. Okay, so now we are using free version. Okay, to use the free version. So can you click on that? Get it free. Yeah, click on. So can I scroll a little bit down? So see, here we can install this in two ways. One is we can directly download that dump into our desktop and we can install as a executable file. And one more we can do is we can take some space, cloud space from the Jira. Okay, for that we don't need to install anything in our desktop. Okay, so for that, see here, each product on a free plan you're getting support up to 3 users or 3 agents. Leave a forget about 3 agents. Okay, supports up to 10 users and we can get close 2 GB of storage. Okay, offer community support is always free, no credit card is needed. Okay, and here right side you will see some Confluence and Jira service management. Okay, Confluence in the sense it is completely defined for only for documentation collaboration. So this is mainly used by the conference, mainly used by the document writers. So when we are releasing the product to the customers, right, we have to specify the features and how the functionality will be works. Okay, everything will be mentioned in the conference. Okay, that we don't want right now. Okay, now we want only Jira Service Management. What is Jira Service Management? Is complete. Okay, end to end complete end to end, from the where the product requirements has been mentioned, like a creation of epics, stories, and adding bugs, tasks, okay, and sprints, backlog, everything will become in the Jira Service Management. Okay, either you can select this one or otherwise you can directly click on the next. By click on the next, you will by default it will select as a Jira Service Management only. Okay, select on the next. Okay, this is our free software. Okay, now we are not downloading any dump or executable file. We are taking the cloud storage from the cloud space from the Jira. Okay, here we have two things we can do is one is sign up with an email, okay, or we can continue with the Google. So you already have Google account, right? So we can,
Yes, sir.
okay, sign in, continue with the Google. No need of
Google account.
yeah, fine. Sign in, continue with Google, right? Yeah. Okay, you have a couple of emails. So what do you want? You can use that. Verification has been sent to your email. Can you, if you have mobile with you, you can add here. Otherwise, you can log into that. So signing up for the Jira cloud. So it is creating an account for you. Send the back and see how your account is creating. They are showing you. Okay, there is a space has been created under you. So here they are asking as a site. Okay, every time we cannot go to atlassian.com and cannot say site means we have specific project or specific company name or specific institute name. Okay, like that we have to mention here. So for every institute, for every organization, they have provide some URL like. So what we can do is our what is our institute name? Hey, hey. Sorry. So, uh, so here when we are entering the some organization name or whatever the name here, it will check on the backend whether the same name is available or not. Can you backspace with two letters? Anyways, backspace. Click on backspace. Still okay. So what is saying? This name is already taken. So try a different one. So it will
Taken.
at the under background it will check whether your name is available or not. Okay. So uh so can you enter it in a small lowercase letters? MGM,
MGM.
smaller, sorry, lowercase letters. Can you erase all?
Okay.
And MGMIT, IT. Okay. So you can call it April. That is April, right? Okay. So we have to log in with www.mgmitapril.atlassian.com. Okay. If we given this and it will create some space under cloud with our organization name. Okay. Now let's go to continue. Continue.
Continue.
Yeah. So now our organization is hosting in their cloud. Okay. They will ask some, okay, these things like it is for which team, like support team or customer team or sales or software developer. You can skip these questions. Okay. It's also like, are you, it will ask for a role like a Scrum or a Scrum Master, a business analyst, student or product. The skip, you can skip for this.
Student.
No, you can skip it. On it. 1 second. Okay. So in the URL, you are seeing right URL. Can you see the MGM IIT April? No? Okay. Copy that URL and keep it somewhere or post to our group. Okay. Right now you can keep with you. Okay.
Okay.
Copy in some notepad or somewhere in your system. You can send it to later.
Can I share it in our chat, sir?
Yeah, definitely. Good idea. I did not get that idea. Yeah, share it in our chat. Guys, please copy somewhere. Okay, keep that somewhere. Okay, copy that URL, keep it somewhere. Okay, next time you have to use. So yeah, okay, it has created some space for us, especially for our organization. And here they are using, here you are seeing select the tools you use the most. Okay, here we are not using it or anything. Okay, we are not relating to Google Sheet or GitHub, Microsoft Teams. So it's like some, yeah, these are some apps we are use. Okay, if you want to integrate those apps with the Jira, we can do it. But right now we can skip that. Okay, so if you want to add your teammates, right now you are a Scrum Master, right? So if you want to add any other team members, you can add here. Otherwise, you can do it later. Okay. Okay, you
Okay.
can continue.
Continue.
Yes, no need to. We can add later. Okay. Okay. Here, see, it is asking help us set up your Jira. So here it is asking, are you new to Jira or are you experienced with the Jira? Okay. Hmm, new to
You,
Jira.
sir?
Yeah. You no need right now. Just okay. And he's asking also, my team is new to action or as so you can skip all these questions. Okay, you can skip just to let you know. That's why I said like that. You can. Okay. So our Jira has been created. Okay. Here we have, okay. Here we have three types of boards like a Kanban board, okay, Scrum board, and bug tracking board. Okay. What is difference between Scrum, bug tracking, and Kanban board is, so Kanban board is like it is a monitor to work continuous flow in agile team stress suits who control. So this is for like huge requirements. Okay, a lot of things like a 2 years, 3 years of project can do that. For that, we can use Kanban. But what is Scrum? Scrum is it's like a managing stories or task or workflows for a Scrum team or Agile team. For teams, we deliver this. And bug tracking is completely different for, okay, it is completely specific for bug tracking, how many bugs we have tracked. Okay, let's go with the select with the Scrum. Select on the Scrum, middle one. Okay, here it is asking a project name. Okay, here it is asking a project, which project you want to create a Jira tool. Okay, that's what you want to add here. What you guys have any ideas to want to add? So I'll complete example. Can you give some good name? Oh, no, right? Okay, let's assume right now we are testing our properties clear trip, right? So we want to test it and we want to write the test case, but no one is writing. So we have to write as a clear trip. So, but we should not use clear trip because we are using clear trip, and if clear trip company has seen this, they will do some fine to us. Okay, don't use clear trip. Okay, for alternative clear trip is ugly trip. Okay, okay, yeah, it's my destiny. Can you my destiny place a destiny? Okay, my destiny place. Destiny place. No, give all it. Okay. Yeah. Destiny
Place.
place. Yeah, place. Something like. If you guys have new term, you can add it. But on the spot, I got this name. Okay. So, and here you are getting by default, you are getting MYD. Okay. What is MYD? Here is my destiny place. Okay. They have given by this is the key. Using this key, we can create number of stories. Okay. Remember this MYD. Okay. If you want to select on that information icon, you can select on the information icon. What it is displaying, you'll see. key, and the key MYD you are seeing, right? MYD. Yes, yes, yes. Select on that. Probably use it as the prefix of your project issues key. Okay, like if you're creating some story, it will come MYD-1. Okay, it will come like that. Okay, you get to know what is coming in the soon in a minute. Okay, you can close that. Okay, just click on that any of the page. Okay, yeah, click somewhere. Okay, yeah. So asking, okay, create. Come here, come down. Yeah, let's create. So we have created our organization space and we have created now project, right? That is creating a project for us. Okay. Does your team need more from Jira? Close that. Close all this. Close all this.
This one, sir.
Yeah. Close all this. Yeah. And here also close. This is the home page of our project. Okay. And now you log into this, you will by default, you will see the active sprints page. Right now we haven't started any backlog or any print, any storage. So by default, it should be like this. Okay. Okay. Here, can you give control to me?
How to share, sir?
Okay, I'm just asking your request. It will display some pop-up in your window or in your desktop here. Okay, just accept it. You gave? Anam, do you give access to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not getting any access. I'm not.
Once again,
I'm
send,
get.
sir. Once again, send, sir.
No, not getting that option also. Use my keyboard layout. Huh? Not sure why it is not coming. Okay. Anyhow, leave like that. Okay. So you can do one thing. Okay. So from this home, like you are seeing that icon Jira, your work project, filters, dashboards, people's apps, and create, right? Just above that. Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now go to that project, highlight on the project, right? So here what, no need to click, okay, just highlight there, that's all. Okay, so this is project. So project means here what is your project is my destiny place. Okay, you are seeing the some icon, right? On the left side, you are seeing the project name. If you click on that drop down, you can click on that one.
This one,
Click
sir.
on, yes, click on that. So here it is showing the our recent projects. If you have multiple projects, it will show all the projects here, like create a project, view all projects. If you want to create one more project, you can click on the create project, okay, and it will create one more project, okay, and that also you can be able to display in this projects, okay. This is for project tab. And coming to filters, can just go to filters, go to filters, just click on that. Okay. It is something like filters, like if we have multiple stories or multiple bugs or multiple pics or multiple things, you cannot go and see, right? If we have can add some filters like okay, I want to search with what is our key is MID with so and so, and I want to check with only the to do status what are, and I want to check with the done status. Okay, these are the some filter options you can do it. We can check it later, okay, once we're done with our creation of stories and projects and all. Okay, let's go to dashboard. So click on that. So dashboard is, it is like the we can here track all the issues. Okay, in Jira, we everyone call it issues in the sense here stories, bugs, tasks, all the things we can In Jira, you can call it as only issues. Okay, issues in the ones, don't think like it is a bug or defect. Okay, in Jira perspective, issue is nothing but all like a stories, a task, bugs. Okay, what we have created, everything will treat here as a issue only. Okay, in Jira. Okay, so in dashboard, you can create some dashboards and you can track all the issues here. Okay, how many are done and how many are not done. Okay, how many are in progress. Okay, how many are new. Okay, how many is going to start. Everything will be shown here. And go to people next. So people, okay. So here, if you want to add any people to your team, okay, you want to start a team, okay, you want to add a, already you have created a team like project, so you want to collaborate all with your team members, like you want to add, you can click on that invite a teammate. Click on the okay, here we can add all the people to our project, okay, or the team, and go to the next one, apps. We'll add that later. Apps here. As I said earlier, right, for writing test cases, Jira has some plugins like Zephyr, which is for to write the test cases. Okay, Zephyr is for write the test cases. So we can add that. If we want to add or integrate with our any applications, we can select on the apps. Okay, you can find on new apps. We have a lot of apps. So before this creating a project, we see right the GitHub, Jenkins, and all right. All the apps will come here. If you want to add, you can add here. Okay, that is one thing. And next is create. Okay, don't click on that create. Okay, it is for creation of any stories or tasks or any bugs. Okay, you can click on that. You can add, create some stories or epics, whatever you need. Okay, that is for creation of that. And that's now. So till now we have seen how to access Jira and how to create our space for a particular organization, and how to create a project, and till now we have done this. Okay, now we'll add some people to a project. Okay, go to people, so ask me, select on the people. Okay, invite a teammate, click on that. Okay, so who wants to add here, they can send out an email in our chat, so that's Hasni can add. Make it fast. Send all your emails in this chat. Okay, you got already one email. Okay, two emails. Okay, copy those in our chat, not in Teams, in our Zoom chat only.
Yes, sir.
You already pasted our URL, right? mgmitfl. Where you pasted that? Now see, are you able to see? Chat, our chat.
Hmm?
Okay, okay. Select invite.
Oh.
Okay. Leave like that. Okay, go to people. Go to people. I can go to people.
Invite a teammate.
No. Start a team. You can go with the start a team. Others.
Team name.
In one place, this is affected mentions and call button work to the manage everything from the team. Okay. Yeah, no need. It's better to go there and invite a teammate. No, cancel this. Okay. People invite a team. Okay, add one more email. I already added Pranav, right?
Did I?
One.
Okay.
Okay, already
sir.
added. Okay. From the
I
chat, you will see Sai, Nikhil, Saujanya, was Saujanya. Okay. If you want to add one more people, you can add directly here. Okay. If you want to add all here itself, you can add. If you have any objection to add, you can cancel it. Okay. Because you are the Scrum Master. Who want to add into your team, you can add it. First, you can add cynical names. Otherwise, cynical is very serious. Okay.
Okay.
Cynical name is on top.
సార్ ఒకవేళ యాడ్ చేస్తే మెయిల్ వస్తుందా సార్?
Radu. You did not get any email?
No, that's no.
No. Yeah.
Invite, sir.
Yes, invite. Sometimes it will come, sometimes you don't know. Earlier days it came as a okay. So now you see view users. You got some pop-up right at the top. Sorry, bottom. Yeah, click on that. Don't know whether now it is coming or not. Let's see. Wait for some time. Okay. So these are the users. Okay, so here and you got one below that. You can see users, right? What you have. So host is your organizer head and site admin. Okay, you are the admin for this complete whole project. Okay, so whenever someone sends you message, please don't ignore them. Okay, you have to treat like your team. Okay, and if you want to add as admin to other team members, like if you want to add as Sai, Nikhil or Saujanya, Pranavi, okay, you can add them as a admin. So if we can go to just scroll up little bit, scroll up.
Sir, sir, when I'm trying to access that link, నాకు error వస్తుంది సార్.
One second, let me stop recording. Okay, wait.